Hello children, hope you all well. This is the third module of large numbers. In this module, we will learn comparing and ordering number. In previous class, we learned compact form, expanded form of a large number. So let's start. This is the large number. How to compare this number? The first step, we need to check the number of digits. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here is, this is a 8-digit number. This is 8-digit number and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7-digit number. Okay. So, number of digits is more, that number is greater. Here, this number is 8-digit number and that number is 7-digit number. Obviously, 8-digit number is greater than 7-digit number. So, this number is greater. Next is, one more example. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a 8-digit number. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9-digit number. So, which number is greater? Which number is greater? Who has more number of digits, that number is greater. So, this 9-digit number is greater than 8-digit number. Means 37 crore is greater than 3 crore. So, this is a way, in a first step, we need to check a number of digits. This is the first step. Next is, what is the next step? Here, we have to check a number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8-digit number. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also 8-digit number. In this case, we need to check the first number. The number of digits are equal, that time we need to check the first number. Here is the crore place, we have a 5 and here crore place, this is a 2. You know the places, this is a period, ones period, 1000 period, lakh period, and this is a crore period. This is also ones period, 1000 period, lakh period and crore period. Okay. So, in this case, number of digits are equal. That time we need to check the first digit. This is, we have a 5 crore and here is a 2 crore. So, which number is greater? This number is greater. 5 crore is greater than 2 crore. We have to check the first digit. Let's try one more example. Here, the number of digits, every number, first we have to check the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also 8-digit number. And this is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also 8-digit number. Here also say the number of digits are equal. That time we need to check the first number, first digit. This is here in a crore place we have a 4 and here in a crore place we have a 7. So 7 is greater than 4. So this number is greater than 4 crore. Have you understood this? Next step. In a third step, here is also first step is, first we need to check a number of digits. This is a large number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8-digit number and this is also 8-digit number. Now, here is first digit is equal. Here is first digit is equal. So, what we have to check? Our second digit. Our second digit, here is 2 and here is 1. So, which is greater? This number 2 is greater than, this is smaller. Okay. So, 2 is greater than 1. So, 3 crore 22 lakhs. This number is greater than 3 crore 12 lakhs. So, this number is greater. Try one more example. Here is also number of digits are equal. This is 8 digit number. And this is also 8 digit number. Okay. Here the first digit is equal. This is equal. Second digit. Here second digit is 5 and here second digit is 7. Which greater? Which digit is greater? This 7 is greater. And then 5 is small. So which number is greater? Obviously 7 is greater than 5. So 3 crore 74 lakhs is greater than 3 crore 54 lakhs. So this is a way we have to check the digits. We have to compare the large number. In fourth step, we have check the number of digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also 8 digit number. And this is also 8 digit number. Here number of digits are equal. So we need to check the first digit. Here first digit is 4. Here is also 4. Now second digit is same 5. Here we need to check the third digit. The third digit here is 3 and here is 2. So which digit is greater? 3 is greater and 2 is smaller. Which number is greater? This number, because the third digit is greater here and here the third digit is small. So this number 4 crore 53 lakhs is greater than 4 crore 52 lakhs. So you can read this number. You know how to read this number. Earlier we have learned this thing. How to read the large number. Let's try one more example. This is also 8 digit number. And this is also 8 digit number. So here first digit is equal. Second digit is also equal. Our third digit here is 6 and here is 8. Which digit is greater? 8 or 6? So 8 is greater and 6 is smaller than 8. So which number is greater? This number is greater. 2 crore 48 lakh 64,456. This number is greater than 2 crore 46 lakh 78,876. So this is the way you have to continue this steps. You have to check the digits. Like this, you have similar way you have to check the digits. Now this is the next. Here we have 8 digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a 8 digit number. And this is also 8 digit number. Now next is we have to check the first number. This is 9. This is also 9. Here is 7. Here is also 7. Here is 8. Here is also 8. Then here is 9, here is also 9, and then 6, here is also 6, 5, here is also 5. Second last means tens place we have a 9, and here we have a 9, but last is, here is a 2 and there is 0. So which digit is greater? 2 is greater. So this number is greater than that number. So 9 crore 78 lakhs 96,592 is greater than 9 crore 78 lakhs 96,590. Hope you understood how to compare the large number. Now this is a self practice for you. First is which is a greater. You have to check which one is greater, which number is this. Four problems are there. In the first question, 4 problems are there. In a second question, which is smaller, you have to find out which is smaller, you have to apply same rule. Then you have to put less than and greater than sign. You have to put less than, greater than or equal to sign. And you have to complete this assignment. Thank you. Take care. Stay at home.